Caribbean PWC question: at what point is using a helmet recommended? I ride and surf. Every time I rode and every time I raced, obviously racing, I was wearing a helmet. Obviously, if I was riding in aggressive surf and I knew I was going to be riding hard, I wore a helmet. I did personally. All it takes is one good hit, and you'll learn to wear a helmet. If you get hit one time really good, I took it right here. I took one right there. Bam, right into the bars. And I was like, I thought I knocked teeth out. I was bloody. I spat out all sorts of blood. My gums were all bleeding, and I thought a couple teeth were loose, but I just hit the chin. I just hit the top of my chin. And that was enough for me. So if I know I'm riding a lot of open surf, I bring a helmet or I wear a helmet. So that's me. All right. Takes one or two really good hits and you'll get hip. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.